bunch of disciples deserted Jesus, he says, this is why I tell you. And at least you are enabled by the Father, by DNA and decision that's already been made. Unless you was already chosen, you will not receive the kingdom of God. Okay, so I'm teaching you the gospel right now. This is the true gospel. This is it. This is the knowledge that we're all supposed to have. We're supposed to abide by it. Okay? So the ego is your astrological energy, your true self. That is who you are in your limitation. Right? So you have your true self as the Father, and then you have the character, which is Demi. You have your omnipotent oneness, and then you have your character. What I'm teaching you is your character. I'm teaching your character, but I'm also teaching you that you are everything. Nothing is outside of you. So simultaneously, when you're dealing with me, you'll see the human side of me, but then you hear this side of me, which is the God. I'm talking to you from a higher plane of existence, but then you will see the human side. What the Bible did was take Jesus' human side out and just gave you the God, the consciousness of Christ. They never teach you about Jesus' human side. Jesus was a demigod. They took the human side out of Jesus and just gave you. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. That's the only thing that we remembered about me, not my human side and all my flaws and all my mistakes. Because it doesn't matter. What matters is, did you tap into life? With that being stated, in this reality check, remember, your avatar, your body, is a figment of your imagination. Everybody else is a reflection of you, vibrating on a different frequency of you. Point blank, period. Once you understand this, you cannot point the finger and say nobody else hurt you or nobody else did anything to you. Why? Because you understand that you are the omnipotent oneness and you did it to yourself. If you are hurting, it is because of you. It's because how you choose to look at things. It's because how you choose to handle things and move forward on. Point blank, period. It is only your power that hurts you. That's it. Even when you're dealing with someone else, that might hurt your feelings or might harm you. It is you that is giving yourself that pain. Do not give your power to anyone else by blaming on someone else for what's going on with you. Once you take responsibility, then you can change things. And this is what counseling is all about. Even when you go to a psychiatrist, the psychiatrist listens to your traumas and they give you the understanding that it wasn't your fault. It wasn't his fault, but that you have the power to change things. And so we start to heal through this. So when you watch me, what you're going to understand is there's a human side of Chief. There's a Leo, and then there's Chief. And so I am playing both roles. Right? I am playing my human role and I'm playing my God role simultaneously. So a lot of times you will say this nigga's contradicting himself. One minute he say this, another minute say this. No nigga, I got a role and all. I got a character I'm playing. I'm playing a character. Right? And this character is a demigod, so it's half God, half human. You'll see the human side of me and then you'll see the God side of me. So it's just understanding this complex thing that's very simple. Once you understand it, then you can play the game of life. My character is my astrological energy. It will always be there. I'm a Leo moon. I'm a Taurus, right? I'm a Taurus in the sixth house. My moon is in Leo in the 9th house. If I don't express my energy, my Jupiter is in Scorpio in the 12th house. But if I don't express my energy, it is a sin. If you are not being who you authentically are supposed to be, it is a sin. If you don't have your own hair growing out your head, if you don't take that makeup off, and you don't be your authentic self, it is a sin. Because this is who you're supposed to be. It is a sin not to be who you are. But you must first study who you are, know your flaws, and have your mistakes and everything, and learn from them and experience life, because life is trying to be you. God wants to be you. You are God. Right? So you have to be your character. So the more you study your natal chart, to learn your flaws, the more you don't allow those things to come between you and what you truly are. Right? And so you study your natal chart. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Study your astrology. We need to see those major aspects, Google them, start to understand why you have those flaws. With that being stated, remember, your body is a figment of your imagination. Everything is from your observation. None of this is real. So when it's time to sacrifice or let things go, remember, it's just a test. You are being tested. And at the end of this life, you will be judged by yourself on your performance. So know that you must hold the morals and principles when in this plane of existence. And enjoy life and master it. Still enjoy life. Enjoy your relationships. Have sex. Be married. Love yourself. Eat good food. Be one with the earth. Play in nature. Be a child. Enjoy this at the same time. This is something very serious. Right? Peace to the gods and goddess. I love myself, man. I'm gonna do one more live real quick. I got something to say.
Okay,
What? Yeah. All right, I want to break. I want to talk about this. It's very important, and I want to expose to you a problem that we're having in our so-called community. All right, real quick. And any woman that is masculine, that holds masculine energy, I want you to share this video with her. It's very important that we understand what's going on. We must understand the history and the psychology behind why our family unit is broken. Once we understand this, it'll be very easy for us to fix it. But as long as we keep perpetuating the same problem, it will continue to exist and persist. But I intend to change it with myself and my dealings. I'm not waiting on the world to change. I will make the change because I see the problem. I want to share the problem with you today. I want to share you how the roles have been mixed up between masculine and feminine energy. The females of today in our black community, or what community you would say it was, are embodying a lot of masculine energy. This is not supposed to be. You, woman, with the energy in your chart that have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. Okay? These air and fire signs are not supposed to embody the female. Even though these are masculine energies, they're not supposed to be embodied in certain planets in a woman. But because our circumstances required females to do a man's role, then because of that, we have mutated. Because in Babylon, it's an unnatural place. This is not in tune with nature. So too, we have evolved and adapted to an unnatural circumstances that summon the masculine spirit in females. And this is what's breaking our family. The roles have been switched because the system that we're trying to exist in, we have adapted to. So the females that you're dealing with today are females that had to be masculine to survive in their environment. And we are just dealing with mixed roles. I don't care how feminine you are as a man, you're a man. You feel the testosterone, you are a masculine man. And we have the same thing with the males. When you take the purpose of a male away, shit, he doesn't. So now we have males with a lot of Cancer, Pisces, feminine energy. Right? Hear me out. Listen. So we have been subjected to an environment where females had to be men because they locked up all the men. Happening in our community and why we are broken as a family. Because we are broken as fuck. The family unit is wrong. We did not practice monogamy before colonialism. We are not we did not eat chicken and fucking hot dogs and shit like that. Okay? We do not understand, we don't have a last name, we don't have our spirituality, we do not understand how we indigenously lived on the planet at one time. We're not living in our natural state. Okay? I want to explain this to you, and what's the problem here? When you take the male role out of the house, the female must adapt to survive. So what happens is a female that had to come out of her home, she's a homemaker, and she was a woman at one point, she has to come out of her home and do the male's job. And this is what happened in our simulation. The female had to be a man, had to fend for the family, had to do everything for the family because her male was locked up because of the war on drugs, because of the projects. I mean, this was all constructed. So the female that was once in the home, that was a homemaker and knew her role, is that we are amazing beings. We can become whatever we need to become to survive. That's the most amazing thing about human beings. We will adapt. We've become white people. We become Chinese people. We become all of the races to adapt to certain natural environments, to our environments. So I want you to understand what's going on with the role. Okay? The females of today are embodying this masculine energy because the males were taken and put in prison, and the males were taken away and trapped in the war on drugs. It's called the New Jim Crow. Now, when a woman has to step up and be the man, it's very hard at first. It's very hard on the woman at first. But what happens is when the woman gets pregnant and she lives in this kind of environment, in the methylation process, meaning the picking of the genes for the child, right? It's called epigenetics. If you study epigenetics, whatever the woman is subjected to while she's pregnant, the world that she's in, the baby will pick up genes that will allow her to be more effective, that will allow the next generation to be more effective to live in that world. So if a woman had to be the man, a female that could survive in that environment, right, without a man. So this is the dilemma that we're having here. And so when women are born, they're born because epigenetically, in the methylation process, whatever the mother was subjected to in that environment, the female will take on the energy to make it easier and adapt. So now you have this masculine woman that doesn't have a problem holding her own. She doesn't have a problem. She doesn't need a man. And this has happened for generations and generations and generations. And it's because of the unnatural environment, zoo-type environment, simulated environment that they've created for us. Here's the dilemma. So now, how do we fix this? Well, the woman must purposely understand this and change back her role. Just like it was hard at first for her to adapt to being a man, it must be hard at first for her to adapt to being a female. She has to purposely do this with a man that consciously is conscious about this, and a female that's conscious about this. They both must come together to break the generational curses. This will not be easy. As hard as it was for her to lose her man, will be the hardest thing to get her man back. So this is what's going on. So now, when our women purposely are in an environment where the man is being the man, and the woman is, well, she knows she has masculine energy, but she's conscious to change this in her children. Now, when she's in an environment where she can relax and be a homemaker and be in her element as a feminine energy, now her child will now pick the methylation process to bring in a more feminine female, a more Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo. You see the Capricorn woman. This woman will come. Now you can make your human being by, if you can create an environment, you can make your human being. This is how Adam and Eve was created by the gods. But we are the gods. We can create another kind of human by changing our environment. We can never tell your child that it's naked, it will never know it's naked. If you never tell a child it has eyes, it doesn't know it has eyes. Someone told you you had eyes. Someone told you you existed. Someone told you you had a body. You ask a child who it is, it says, I don't know. And if we never tell a child who it is, then it's God. We are the ones that play as the serpent in the Bible. We are the ones that give our child the 7 deadly sins. But we don't have to create this. We are the gods. We can create a child that doesn't even know it exists. It doesn't know if it's a boy or a girl, none of that concept. It doesn't understand that concept. It's just God. And those that are conscious of the gods and gods, we're here to make a new human. We're here to make a new human. We're here to bring structure and order. So once you understand this as a female, you understand the history of what's going on. You don't have to let this harm or block you or continue to perpetuate breaking up the black family. We can take control of the roles. The men, as sensitive as you are, you're going to have to step up and be men. You have to purposely, consciously do this. And our children's will inherit the healing of the nation. It's going to take generations and generations, but we have to have a culture medium. We have to have an environment for this to thrive. We cannot be in Babylon and do this. Babylon perpetuates subconsciously that we continue these roles that we're planted at. For the females today, they feel like they're males. You can't, you know what I'm saying? They have this freedom in that environment, this fake ass environment they gave them. You can't be mad at that. You gotta understand that's how it is. Like, you know, this woman is a man in her mind. She wants a couple of husbands. She don't like sharing a man. Well, that's what men don't like sharing. When you have an Aries energy, Leo, Aquarius, Gemini, it'd be hard for you to be polygamous because you don't, you embody all of this masculine energy. So basically, it's like you're a dude in a female body. It's hard for you to accept it. You understand? But if you have these energies, you constantly peak that, then you can, on purpose, change things. Then you can go back to an indigenous way of living. All you gotta do is go to the indigenous way of living and study how we lived indigenously. Then you will see that we had tribes, we had chiefs, and chiefs had many wives. And this is something that we have to get back to. And you don't have to do it. I decided with my life to be the change. You might see me, I'm building something here. I'm building a new human being. I'm healing the generational curses myself. It doesn't take everybody to follow. You can do it alone. And all you need is some people that are in the same frequency and mind as you to change things. You don't need the whole world to do this, because the whole world can fucking get washed the fuck away, and you will be the one that survives. So you don't need to have everybody with you. It just takes you to change the world. Be the change. Alright? I love myself. Peace to God, guys.
Okay, I know this is a really weird reason to get excited, but new filing cabinet. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, free to God. My rolling nigga.
Hold on, we all
Big pause shit. Big pause shit. Just beat Rona ass on the projects, nigga. Got my shoes looking busted. No way. This is what rat ass niggas get though. You feel me? My shit, I might throw these shits away. I ain't even gonna hold you.
For another fight, nigga.
Okay, Jordan here. Look at my twin. What niggas talking about? Where the bottle at? Come on, stop playing. Come on, stop playing. Take a shot. Hurry up. Fuck you mean? Okay.
They say this is a big rich town. Why do I have a cat named Mr. Hulu has live sports? Money. Hulu has live sports. Man, what the hell? Who is it? Police. Open the door.
Stop.
Open the door. I'm looking at you. Man, that's looking at you.
Reggie!
Looking at you. What the hell you want?
I have a warrant for that bitch arrest. Oh, that's what did I do?
That's a problem. Looking at you what, bro?
Reggie, I work for the police now.
Oh, yeah.
So, and I have a warrant for her arrest. Oh, that's what did I
Where's the
do?
paperwork? The warrant or something.
I'm gonna go to my car.
Man,
Reggie, I'm gonna go to my car. I'm gonna get the paperwork and I'll be right back. Police, I'm looking at you. Man, that shit okay?
where's that?
Here it is.
Man,
Reggie!
looking at you.
I'm in uniform. Don't be doing that. I'm police now. I come for her.
Man, bro.
Reggie! Reggie! Stop playing with her. I'm making money now. I'm making money.
Looking at you doing security.
It's not security.
Hello, my name is Joshua. I'm the owner of Sisqua. Sisqua is based off a Native American tribe called the Platte. The S in the symbol right here stands for less than and greater than sign. There's no man or woman on earth is less than zero, and every man or woman on earth is greater than zero. So basically, everyone's equal. The slogan, let it be known. It stands for when you're working out, train, or doing whatever you can do, you're doing it with a purpose. So, like I say, and like everyone else is, let it be known.
Peace. My name is K.A. Wright, and I'm the author of Perfect Just Like You and its companion coloring book workbook. With everything going on in the world, the mass shootings, the suicide, depression, the self-hate, and the bullying, I truly believe that actively practicing self-love can play a vital role in preventing these tragedies from occurring. In my book, Perfect Just Like You, I teach children to not only love and embrace their own differences, but to also acknowledge, embrace, and love the differences of others. Its companion coloring book, Workbook, was created to be used as a tool for parents to monitor their child's thoughts. In return, they can figure out where their child has an insecurity. Peace, love, and light. Remain powerful.
Never forget that there's only the now. There's no point really waiting until later to do certain things and procrastinating. You're doing yourself a disservice. Do things in the now. If you want to be happy, you want to feel accomplished, a sense of accomplishment, you want to feel like confident in yourself, you have to start doing what you're saying you're going to do. You have to start doing it now. There's no point in waiting 2 or 3 days. There's no point in waiting till next week to start your workout plan. There's no point in waiting till you go grocery shopping or for this or that to start being a vegan or to wait for other people to join in with you on a thing. Nah, just get started. Just get started now. There's only now. Time is an illusion. You need to live every day as if it was your last day. So every moment of your life, every day, you should be living it like it was your last. You should be becoming the best version of yourself. You should be accomplishing all your goals, doing everything you can, so that when you transition out of here, you'll be like, hey, I went hard. And more than that, it's like confidence comes with it. If you're not accomplishing anything and you're saying all these goals, you're saying you're going to do X, Y, and Z, and the end of the day is here and you didn't do any of it, your confidence goes down a little bit. Versus start saying you can do something, stop saying it, just cut yourself off, and just go and do it. I'm gonna start working out. I'm gonna start doing this. You know what? Just get down, start hit them push-ups, do whatever you do. Go out and start stretching. Say you're gonna do yoga, well go outside and do some fucking yoga. I realized that there's no such thing as time, and some people say, well, I don't have time for this, I don't have time for that. Nah, the truth of the matter is you make time for whatever it is you really care about. If you really care about yourself, you'd make time for yourself.